Welcome back to Mallory Performance, and in this video we wanted to show you guys around the place and show you guys what we have to offer. So let's take a step inside. So inside Mallory Performance's waiting room / reception at the minute, and I'm with Barry and I'm going to ask him a few questions about the company. So the first question being, how did this whole thing start?
So basically I've raced motorbikes all my life professionally, raced in America, Europe, basically for a number of years. And then alongside that I wanted to set up a business, so when I finished racing that would be the next project. When I was racing for BMW, I had a BMW M4 and I took it to a tuning company. Although the car felt something better afterwards, I didn't like the way it was all ran. It was very behind doors, you didn't know what they were doing with the car, so obviously it unsettles you a little bit. So hence, when we've set up Mallory Performance, we've put windows, a big window into the Dyno cell and into the workshop area and the wrap room, purely just so the customer can see exactly what the workers are doing with the cars. The whole idea is just to give the customer a bit of comfort and make an experience of having the car tuned, upgraded, wrapped, whatever it may be. So that was the main idea really.
So that's pretty much everything summed up into one little shell, but now I want to go and take a step deeper into it and explain a little bit more in depth of exactly what we do here. So first step is to take a look into the Dyno cell, and I think there's a car on there at the minute which is pretty exciting as well, so we're going to go speak to Phil about that. Let's go. We're inside the Dyno cell now, and quite conveniently we've got an RS6 on it, and we've got Phil Cooper, who's the tuner here, who tunes all the cars and does all the tweaks and all the brainy sort of stuff really. So Phil's going to go into a bit more detail on what he does and what we do as a company. So I'll hand you over to Phil right now.
Right then, welcome to Mallory Performance's Dyno cell. So we have a MSR 500 dyno, obviously 4-wheel drive, power rating up to about 2,000 horse. I don't think we've got near that yet, but we'd like to, if anyone's got anything near. Right, so our room is pretty much engineered to allow airflow through the room, so it recirculates every few seconds, blah blah blah. Basically we just get to make everything as fast as we can, like in the best, safest position you kind of can, with the most accurate results as we possibly can, to be fair. Tuning wise, we buy every car we tune. We've got an M2 competition, we've got the C63, we're getting an A45S, we've got an M140i coming. So everything we do, we develop. I drive them every day, we tune them, Matt will drive it, Barry will drive it. We just pretty much do everything here, like it's all...
Yeah,
that's it.
So what we're trying to like sort of get across is that we're not just guys that here just tune the cars, we literally drive them as well. So Phil would never put a tune out there that he wouldn't drive himself. He wouldn't just go and put the figures out there. Like he could tune, as I mentioned probably in a video before on the C63, he actually tuned it over 600 brake, and Barry mentioned that it's just pretty much undrivable. So he can actually like detune it. He can do loads of fun things as well, like your pops and your bangs and that sort of stuff. But Phil is a genius here and he runs all that sort of part. I stay away from this because it's a bit scary for me. And welcome to the workshop. Now inside the workshop we offer a variety of different services. Some of them including suspension upgrades, exhaust upgrades, induction kits, even turbo changes, or just a simple dealer level service. Point being, we try to make this a one-stop shop for upgrades and even just maintenance on your car. We also are now starting to offer wheel alignment as well, alongside selling tyres and also having them fitted here. So pretty much you're getting the idea that we are the one-stop shop. And finally, we have the wrap studio. Now, the reason why this is sectioned off to the workshop is that it's important that this room stays dust-free, a consistent temperature, and stays clean of any sort of thing that could contaminate the wrap. We also offer PPF protection as well as wrapping, and you don't have to have your car fully wrapped. We offer things like de-chroming. Maybe you just want your roof wrapping. Maybe you just want some interior trims wrapping. We offer all of that. No job is too big or too small for us. Now, we'll put out further videos of a more in-depth look of the wrapping side of the business, but if you do want to inquire anything about getting your car wrapped, everything is available on our online shop and you can inquire there. Now, before I finish this walk around video, I just wanted to cover up as well our mobile remapping van. Now, we do offer a service where we go around the UK and we offer mobile remaps, which again, we'll do a video more in depth on that at a later date. But just to gather things up and just to show you guys what we do, this is the van that you may see out on the road, and more than likely it's heading to someone's house to do a mobile remap. Now guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully I have summed up everything about Mallory Performance and what we have to offer here. If you do have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out our online shop, which is in the description box below, and our contact details are there as well. Hopefully we see you and your car in the future.